And today on Tasty Kitchen, we'll be making 3 vintage recipes from the 1900s. And here's Miss Jasmine Pack, our host, to show us how.
Hello there. Let's get started.
Our first dish today will be the banana candle.
A what?
First, cut bananas in half. There we go. Then, brush with lemon juice.
This is interesting. I've never done this before.
Arrange the bananas in the pineapple hole.
I'm so sorry. This is so funny. Okay, continue.
Once the banana is in the pineapple hole, use a vegetable peeler to remove orange peel in 1-inch slices. Use a paring knife to trim the sides to create straight edges. Then, use a toothpick to attach to the banana.
It's so cute.
To give the effect of candle wax, drizzle the banana with mayo.
Sorry, give me a second.
To simulate a flame, use a toothpick and a cherry to attach it to the top of the banana.
It mainly just tastes like bananas and pineapple. I can't even taste the mayo. I think it was fun to try this time, and just this time.
In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the lime jello and boiling water until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Whisk in cold water, vinegar, and grated onions.
Grated onions? Grated onions. It just plopped.
Next, pour 1 cup of the mixture into the bottom of a greased jello mold.
Now we're gonna let these set in the fridge for about an hour to 75 minutes. This one should be the consistency of egg whites, and this one should be set until it's firm, but not too firm.
Now that the jello is chilled, use a rubber spatula to fold in cottage cheese and mayo.
Yum! I've never done this to my jello before. I'm actually not very picky, so the chances of me liking it are actually quite high.
Then pour the mixture over firm jello.
So chunky. Just like Mama made it.
Now put back in the fridge and chill until firm, preferably overnight. Remove the jello from the mold and place on a platter. Jiggly, wiggly, beautiful perfection.
I do like this part, it's very relatable.
Now we have to make the seafood salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the crab, mayo, celery, red onion, dill, Old Bay, salt, and pepper.
I always do big pinches of black pepper. It's so good.
Place the tossed seafood salad in the center of the jello and arrange the salad greens around the outside of the ring.
Yum. Not gonna lie, I'm not looking forward to this one. So good, I had to eat it really fast. I really liked it. Just listen to it. That won't make the cut. I think there's a reason. I think there's a reason that this is not a popular recipe nowadays. That's really gross, guys.
For our main dish, we'll be making meatloaf igloo. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, minced onion, salt, pepper, and evaporated milk.
Ooh, I can tell this is gonna be really tender.
Once combined, pack it tightly into a bowl lined with plastic wrap to get that igloo shape. Remember to leave a small handful in the mixing bowl. You'll need that to form the entrance to your igloo. Invert the bowl onto a greased aluminum-lined sheet tray and remove the plastic wrap.
Wow, it's beautiful!
Place the remaining meat mixture on the front of the meat mountain and fix to look like the front of an igloo. Now, bake at 325 degrees for 1.5 hours. In a small saucepan, whisk together the water, evaporated milk, salt, and butter. Bring the mixture to a boil and remove from heat. Next, whisk in the instant potatoes.
I love me some taters. Smells good.
Whisk potatoes until they're nice and thick.
Whew.
Take the potato mixture and spread it evenly across the baked meatloaf.
I'm not gonna lie, I love meatloaf, but I know a lot of people who despise it to their very core. Oh my God, my stomach's growling so much. This smells so good. All right, I think it's good. Nice and smooth.
Use a skewer to carve in lines to get that igloo look.
This is a lot harder than I expected.
Once your masterpiece is complete, Go ahead and pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. After baking, place a slice of cheddar cheese on top of the baked igloo and bake until melted.
Beautiful. Home run, meatloaf igloo. Meatloaf? That sounds weird.
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. Oh. Meatloaf igloo, home run. This is so good. Not sure if I would do it again as a meatloaf igloo. I think I would just make the meatloaf and have mashed potatoes on the side, but I do admire the hard work that was put into it. This was a lot of fun. I feel like I was able to transport back into that time and really get into it. If you guys want to see us do some vintage recipes again, let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys, bye.